swooping in to make a special delivery.
Oh, well, thank you. Aren't those nice?
Some Hilton and Island High School math and arts students were at Village Cove giving residents at the community birdhouses they built through their cross-curricular project, Geometry is for the Birds. The students used their math skills and more to create the birdhouses.
We're using slope, diameter, like distance, area, and scale factor.
So we use perpendicular lines on the top for the roof. We use a radius for the little circle, and we also use a scale factor, so it's around 10 times less than the normal size of a house.
And I like this part of it because it also connected a little bit to science, because they had to find the circumference of the whole of the birdhouse, and then they had to find what local birds could actually use the birdhouse. So it connected a little bit of science along with the art and the math.
Once the students finished their calculations, they built their birdhouses and then worked with art classes to decorate them. Each resident is getting a birdhouse made specially for them.
They took an account of the residents of the retirement home's favorite things, because we were given a list of their favorite things, and they all went and did a birdhouse based on their favorite things, which I think the older people will really appreciate that.
The project is designed to not only give back to the community, but to bring real-life applications to the mathematics the students are learning.
It helps us see like what we're going to be using in the future. It helps us see how we're using it in real life instead of just in math class.
The students created about 50 birdhouses.
I feel really good about it, knowing that it's gonna help somebody else and kind of make them more happy with the way that it's designed.
I think it's really nice because we have a lot of events that people come to for us, and it's just something nice that we can give back to them.
The school's PTSO donated the money to purchase the supplies needed to build and design the birdhouses.
Isn't it gorgeous?
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lowe's.
Look at that.